Hi guys, here's another month update, even though I think it's been like 2 or 3 months, I'm not quite sure. So I decided to get some DNA testing done through 23andMe. It's something that I can handle because it doesn't involve needles, so that's a positive. Um, so I had to wait like 8 full weeks to get the test or the results back. And I wasn't expecting too many genetic mutations. I was like, oh, I'll probably have one or two, like that's normal. And I had a lot more than what I thought, and I was also homozygous for one, two, three, four, five things that like is kind of scary to me. I have a really hard time absorbing vitamin D. Um, I have a whole bunch of things that are just, I don't know, I'm so surprised. And I'm thinking that maybe just the foods that I was eating just contributed to it. Because I was a vegan, um, I missed out on a lot of things that I didn't realize that I was missing out. And I think that I once heard somebody say that genetically some people are more geared towards being vegan, meaning they can kind of like, they're more adapted to it. And I was like, oh yeah, right, that's bullshit, typical vegan person. And I'm one of those people that I don't think is gonna do very well if I continue doing the vegan thing. I mean, I'm not gonna say that I'm gonna go like full on paleo and eat like meat on every meal. Who knows? Maybe I will. But I've been eating meat now for 3 days, and the first time I ate meat, it was not a whole lot. It was some grass-fed beef, and it was maybe like a handful of it. Within 2 hours, like my brain was like, woo. It just like clicked on. It was the weirdest thing. And I'm able to use my brain, which is so weird because I haven't been able to do it in like 2 or 3 years now. Um, so some of the challenging things here, I'll show you guys my results first. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see any of this. I don't know, but I have a lot of genetic mutations. So things that are in red are the homozygous, and things that are in yellow are the heterozygous, meaning I carry one copy. And in any of those genes, I guess you can see a 30% reduction if you're hetero and a 70% reduction in the functioning of these genes if you're homo. I'm homo. Um, so, um, yeah, I'm gonna start slowly incorporating meat, and because I have some CBS mutations as well, I'm going to back off in sulfur. I'm not going to eat as many sulfur foods. And the thing that I found out, which was so surprising to me, while I was getting adequate folate or folate, methylfolate from my diet, from my vegan diet, I wasn't getting the methionine and I wasn't getting the glutathione something, I don't know. And obviously protein levels are down because you have these genetic mutations. They lower your protein levels like L-argin. Sorry, I'm like shaking the camera. How annoying, right? So anyways, they just lower your protein levels. I'm sure you guys can figure all that out on your own, but I've got to call into a doctor that hopefully will like do a Skype thing, because nobody here in Southern California seems to specialize in this type of deal, so I'm kind of lost on that. So change in diet, low sulfur, high folate, and adding more protein, low carbs, not like super low carbs, of course, still getting my vitamin C and things that are important. So we'll see. We'll see if this works. We'll see if this helps. I'm still taking cannabis oil. I take it 3 times a day, 10 drops underneath the tongue, and lemon water. So hopefully this just like we go up from here and not back down and back up and then down, because that's really annoying. The whole roller coaster thing, I'm over it. So hopefully this helps. Don't know. I'm not gonna hold my breath though. Bye guys.